Strong cold winds and dropping heavy snowfall hit along the coast of the Sea of Japan for the 7th day in a row. Heavy snow disrupted traffic and stranded many vehicles. At least 10 people were injured over the past weekend due to blizzard conditions. Heavy snow caused flight cancellations and disruption to train services in parts of central Japan. More than 10,000 households in the region have been left without electricity. Hikon in Shiga Prefecture saw 68 centimeters of snow, while Osago in Hyogo Prefecture received 71 centimeters. During the same period, Minakami in Ganma Prefecture received 70 centimeters. And Eizi Wakumatsu in Fukushima Prefecture saw 55 centimeters. The deepest snowfall was recorded in Aomori with 200 centimeters. While snow also accumulated in the cities of Kyoto, Nagoya and Hiroshima. Heavy snowfall, as well as icy roads and high waves, can last for several days. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, see you soon.